Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm sharing the aftermath of the trade that I took in my Founder Futures Evaluations account. I don't have the live recording unfortunately. I thought I did, but OBS decided to only record one side of my screen and it just missed the whole trades altogether, so I'm not going to share it. But let me walk you through my thought process and what I was thinking, how the setup looked, and how it played out for the whole day. So I entered trade. This is the only trade that I took today, and this ended up being the only trades that I had to take to pass the account, which is interesting. I was trying to pass it today, but was I expecting that to happen? Not really. In one trade? Fuck no. I'm just happy that it happened. Let's just dive a little bit more into the actual setup and why it worked, how it worked, and everything like that. So this area right around here, you don't see it here because I don't have my thinkorswim screen open, but this has been support for Nasdaq for a little bit, and Tesla was gapping down quite a bit today, and I thought to myself, okay, Tesla's gapped down this much, there's got to be some profit taken over after the open, and it took us about 10 minutes to have some profit taking there. Tesla seemed to be really holding this one level, and it started to rip higher. And I entered there just expecting it to push Nasdaq a little bit further, and around this area was also the price closed from yesterday, and those levels usually play a pretty big role. There's a lot of I guess manipulation, if you will, around those levels, and I was expecting it to just break out of it right away. It did not here. It kind of got me scared. My stop loss was down at today's low. And initially, I think Nvidia was kind of weaker, Apple was kind of weaker, but Tesla started gassing up, and then it just pushed Nvidia and everything else to come along with it. And then this is the aftermath. We just went up shot up. I was trailing my stops along the way, but after I think I reached this point, I was kind of nervous because of this big rejection here. And this candle does not look like a lot, but that's 324 to, what is it, 291. That's about 40 points, 45 points. With two contracts, that's about 90 points, right? And 90 points in Nasdaq, as you all probably know, is $1,800 actually. So this alone was a $2,000 drop down. Kind of got me scared, but I was like, okay, I'm just gonna hold through this. This is still looking good. And Nvidia got the gas up from, I think it was today's open. It bounced up right from there, and Nasdaq also bounced right from the line, and a line that I had. Like, I don't give much significance to the lines that I have in my chart, but they were something back then, so I expect some like reaction of the price around there. It was not perfectly. I think that line was around this. I kind of wish I had my TOS open, but I don't have it right now. But it bounced up there, and I just let it close myself out for a $6,020 profit. It's my Funded Futures Evaluations account, the 100K Evaluations account. So I passed it in one day, which is kind of crazy to think about. Now let me just show you all the proof that I actually passed the account. I have not traded this before, just this one trade, and that ended up passing the whole thing. That aside, I'm also going to show you this. It hasn't updated yet because it's not free, and I'm really excited to see how the funded account goes, right? And before I end this video, let me end this with something kind of informative for you all. Tick is one of the things that I use. It's like a ticker, I guess. It does not really correlate to any of the specific symbols or anything like that, but what this is basically it shows the upticks and downticks in the market. And you all probably notice this Q right here, and this is especially for Nasdaq, and it just shows the number of stocks that are upticking and downticking. There's one just called TICK, that's for NYSE, so the overall markets or stocks in the exchange, NYSE. But that aside, I would advise you all to use this with caution, because not every upticks and downticks are similar. Say Tesla's upticking and some random stock is downticking. Like, Tesla is going to have much more weight in the indices or futures if you're trading ES and Nasdaq. And I'm assuming that's what you're trading, because it's not going to be that useful otherwise. It just looks at Nasdaq, you know. So that is it. I will see you all in the next video. I'm really excited to see how the funded account goes, and my funded futures, they seem to be pretty legit. It's my first funded account with them. I had an evaluation before, but did not pass it. This was the one that I passed. So I'm really excited to see how this goes, and I will be keeping, I'll just keep this section if y'all like it. Let me know if you have any questions about my strategy. I think the next time I trade, I'm probably going to have a live trade open for y'all and post a video. And I'm also going to put this little bit of educational section in the bottom. Like, I don't know a lot of things, so if you all know something that you think could help me out, feel free to leave it in the comments. And if you have anything to say, like any comments, any suggestions, anything at all, just leave it in the comment box and I'll make sure to check it out. But that is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.